What is crypto mining? Blockchain explained. Simply. All right, let's dig into one of crypto's core concepts, mining. You've probably heard the term, but what exactly does it mean to mine cryptocurrency? Today, we're going to break down this complex process into simple terms. Let's uncover the secrets of crypto mining in under 2 minutes. Building the blockchain. At its heart, crypto mining is the process by which new transactions are verified and added to the blockchain, and new coins are introduced into circulation. Think of the blockchain as a digital ledger. When people make crypto transactions, these transactions aren't immediately added to the ledger. Instead, they wait in a pool to be processed. The miner's job, solving puzzles. This is where the miners come in. Miners use powerful computers to compete with each other to solve extremely complex mathematical puzzles. This process is called proof of work. It's like a race to find a specific number, a hash, that meets certain criteria. The first miner to solve this puzzle gets to add the next block of verified transactions to the blockchain. The reward. For their hard work and computational power, the successful miner receives two things: a block reward, newly minted cryptocurrency, e.g., new Bitcoin, that's created as part of the protocol. Transaction fees, a portion of the fees from the transactions included in the block they verified. This reward incentivizes miners to keep the network secure and honest. So, mining is much more than just digging for digital gold. It's the engine that powers the security and integrity of many cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. It's what keeps the blockchain decentralized and trustworthy. If you found this explanation helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more easy-to-understand crypto concepts. What other crypto terms should we explain next? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching.